The automobile industry, fueled by technological advancements and evolving consumer demands, stands as a pillar of innovation and progress. At the heart of this dynamic sector lies the crucial role of sheet metal manufacturing. As the backbone of automotive production, sheet metal components shape the form and function of vehicles, ensuring their safety, performance, and aesthetics. Welcome to Advanced Anmol Metcomp Pvt Ltd, an ideal of refinement and sophistication in the automotive sheet metal industry. For over 25 years, we have pioneered excellence and craftsmanship, catering to the discerning needs of prestigious automobile manufacturers globally. Our manufacturing process is a testament to elegance and precision, equipped with state-of-the-art machinery, meticulously crafted for pressing, prototyping, machining, welding, assembling, and other intricate operations. We create components that embody automotive luxury. From functional parts that enhance mechanical grace to specialized components like exhaust gas recirculation components, throttle body parts, instrument cluster components, fuel tank level sensors and housings, our product range encompasses the vital essence of the industry. Furthermore, we stay at the forefront of innovation by incorporating the latest developments in electric vehicles, ensuring our components meet the evolving needs of the automotive sector. Thorough testing is integral to our process. With cutting-edge coordinate measurement machines from Carl Zeiss in our in-house testing facilities, we ensure that every creation meets the highest industry standards. In our dedicated standard room and testing lab, we ensure meticulous adherence to quality control measures during the testing process. Our commitment to quality and zero defect process has garnered certifications such as IATF 16949, ISO 14001 2015, VDA 6.3 and MACE, earning the unwavering trust of esteemed clients like Borg-Warner Emissions and Turbo Systems, Hitachi Astemo, Mikuni, Continental Automotive, Mitsubishi Electric Automotive India, Aisin Toyota Group and many more. Complementing our exceptional manufacturing process, AAMPL takes immense pride in our state-of-the-art in-house tool room, where innovative designs and prototypes come to life. Equipped with cutting-edge machinery such as the wire cut from renowned brand Sodic Japan and VMC from Haas, USA, we ensure precision and excellence at every stage of development. These advanced tools enable us to push the boundaries of design and engineering, bringing forth groundbreaking solutions that exceed industry standards. Engaging in deep technical discussions, conducting regular management review meetings, quality circle meetings, and tracking daily plan performance enable us to maintain operational excellence and continuous improvement. At AAMPL, we prioritize women empowerment, recognizing the invaluable contributions of women in our workforce. With 37% of our employees being women, we are committed to providing equal opportunities and fostering a supportive work environment. Our canteen and recreational areas foster a positive work environment, promoting well-being and fellowship. Recognizing the value of continuous learning and development, we have established the Dojo Room, equipped with best-in-class educational tools. It enables us to groom talent, monitor skills, and optimize team utilization for maximum effectiveness. With an unwavering commitment to environmental sustainability, AAMPL goes above and beyond to nurture the world around us. Our eco-friendly production facility, energy-efficient machinery and thoughtful building design maximize the utilization of natural light. With solar panels installed in 2 of our units with a capacity of 70 kVA and plans to expand further up to 120 kVA and further, we harness clean, renewable energy sources, reducing our carbon footprint, promoting a greener and more environmentally conscious future.
What we are trying to do here at Advanced Anmol Metcomp is that we are trying to go beyond the traditional approach as to how manufacturing is being done. When each of us in the team comes to work every day, the question we ask ourselves is not how things are being done in the industry right now, but instead we ask ourselves how can we do them better. Manufacturing as a sector has traditionally been very resource and man oriented. You buy X machine and it'll give you X result. But what we are trying to do here is make it more data oriented. Using 2 Industry 4.0 tools such as Smart APQP, progress tracking, Cloud ERP for data transparency, and IoT implementation across traditional press machine devices. With this kind of skill set, capabilities, infrastructure, right team, and most importantly, the correct mindset, Advanced Anmol Metcomp Pvt Ltd can overcome any obstacles that may come our way.
For the past 15 years, AAMPL has promoted local manufacturing in India through its Make in India initiative. We have successfully localized components previously manufactured in countries like Spain, Germany, China, Japan, and many others. This localization effort has contributed to the growth of the domestic manufacturing sector, enhanced self-reliance, and reduced dependency on imports. By closely monitoring quality control standards, we ensure cost efficiencies while fostering national development and creating employment opportunities. AAMPL's commitment to the Make in India initiative positions India as a globally competitive manufacturing hub. As the tide of manufacturing shifts from China to India, the Indian manufacturing sector has shown remarkable growth, with a projected compound annual growth rate of 8.43% over the next 5 years, representing a remarkable 20% increase from the previous 5 years. AAMPL stands ready to embrace this transformative landscape, delivering unrivaled products and services. Now let us hear from our esteemed Managing Director, who will share his inspiring vision and the journey so far.
Advanced Anmol Metcomp, I started this company in 1998. Prior to this, I have worked with various MNC companies for about 14 years. And in these 14 years, I experienced their work culture, their systems, their operations, and manufacturing techniques. In my company, from day one, we have emphasized on technology, quality systems, skilled manpower, team building, and most important, working atmosphere. Due to this, we have always been the first choice of all our esteemed customers. Many parts which our customers were importing earlier have been developed by us. In fact, these parts, as of now, we are exporting directly to many of our overseas clients also. On behalf of Advanced Anmol, I want to thank everyone for being the part of our ongoing journey. Thank you very much.